All right, Steve with Owl Metal Dryer Vent. Here to clean another dryer vent. As you can see, there she is. Now this house has a couple animals. So, let me see if I can set this up where you guys can see. All right, right now I have the dryer running, so that way as I agitate the sides, the dryer's pushing that lint out, not pushing it into a clog. Move that to the side. Good Lord. Holy moly. All right, so you guys can see it's not a long vent. But if you have pets or, you know, these things slip our minds. Something we need to pay attention to, guys. As you push it in, you'll feel the elbow right there. And that's how you clean a dryer vent. Have the dryer on, run your brush through. Never put it in reverse. Run it through when the dryer is running.